Hello everyone and welcome to the second semi-final match of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The winner of today's match will earn a spot in this year's final. Will it be Broughton Primary from Westmoreland or Mannings Hill Primary from St. Andrew? We'll find out today, and I'm your host, Sheldon Reed. The action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct question is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Broughton Primary won. They decided that Broughton will go first. So Broughton, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. In the book of Esther, who did Mordecai refuse to bow down to?
Naomi.
Incorrect. Haman. Mannings Hill, Bible knowledge to you. For how long was Daniel in the den of lions?
1 day.
Incorrect. 1 night. Broughton Primary, science. What is the hottest planet in the solar system?
Venus.
Correct. Science to you, Mannings Hill. The chemical element uranium was named after which planet?
Uranus.
Correct. International affairs for Broughton Primary. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Venezuela.
Correct. International affairs to you, Mannings Hill Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this country's flag.
Ecuador.
Incorrect. Peru. English language to Broughton. Spell charade, which means a pretense or sham.
Charade.
Correct. English language to you, Mannings Hill. Please spell the word xenophobia, which means a fear of strangers.
Xenophobia.
Incorrect. xenophobia. Television to Broughton. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Morgan Freeman.
Incorrect. Richard Roundtree. Watch your buzzers, please. Television to you, Mannings Hill. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor. This is for a visual question.
Morgan Freeman.
Incorrect. John Witherspoon. Broughton, general knowledge. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Missouri?
Jefferson City.
Correct. General knowledge to you, Mannings Hill Primary. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Mississippi?
Jackson.
Correct. Social studies for Broughton. In which Jamaican parish is Fort Charlotte?
Hanover.
Correct. Social studies to Mannings Hill. In which Jamaican parish is the Marlborough Great House?
Trelawney.
Incorrect. Manchester. Broughton. Music. Which international female artist released the single Back to You in 2018?
Ariana Grande.
Incorrect. Selena Gomez. Music to Mannings Hill. Which international female artist released the single Most Girls in 2018?
Katy Perry.
Incorrect. Haley Steinfeld. Broughton mathematics. What is the value of x if 4x plus 7 equals 27?
5.
Correct. Mathematics to Mannings Hill. What is the value of y if 5y plus 28 equals 43?
3.
Correct. Sports to Broughton. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Devan Jamishu.
Incorrect. So it's Veer Sami Permal, a West Indies cricketer. Sports to you, Mannings Hill. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shinram Hetmeyer.
Incorrect. West Indian cricketer Sheldon Cottrell. Broughton, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. A fast make an answer.
Get in a trouble.
Get in a trouble.
Incorrect. They are all stop. Jamaican affairs to you, Mannings Hill. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And every rainfall.
Good.
Incorrect. Must wet you. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read Mannings Hill Primary on 6 points and Broughton Primary on 3 points. I'm sorry, that's reversed. So it's Mannings Hill Primary on 3 points and Broughton Primary on 6 points. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, select friends with common goals. You can study together to achieve your objectives, and you can also play together for fun. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.